Hey friends, we're gonna draw a hamburger.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. We're going to draw in pixel art style. So parents, you can download and print out the Pixel Grid Guide from our website. We'll leave a link below this video. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
When you download and print this out, you can draw directly on this piece of paper. Or we're going to do a little trick. We're going to put our marker paper on top of it, and you can still see the grid showing through the paper. And then when we're all done, we can remove the grid and you'll just see the drawing.
Yeah.
Before we draw, we're going to flip over our paper and tape the grid to the other side so that it doesn't move when we're drawing. And a piece of tape for you. Now we're ready to flip over our paper and let's draw. We're using our Art for Kids Hub black marker first, and if you have the same markers, you can follow along with us, or you can use a different brand and just try to match our colors. You could even use something completely different like crayons or colored pencils. Let's start down here in the bottom left corner. So we'll go up one box and then in 3 boxes, and then let's draw a line right there. So 1, 2, 3, and then draw a line. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. Up 1 and then in 3, and then draw a line. There you go. And then we'll connect the bottom of those 2 lines. Oh, squeaky marker. And then we're going to connect the top of those 2 lines. Then let's color in all of those squares. We're first using our black marker to draw the outside of our burger. Now let's start here in the top left corner. We'll go out 1 box. And then we're going to go up 3 boxes. And then let's jump over here to this side and do the same thing. Out 1 box and then up 3 boxes. Then we can connect these 2 lines all the way across. Now let's come back to where we started and we'll go up 2 boxes. And same thing over here, up 2 pixels. Then we'll connect those 2 lines together also. Now let's color in this big upside down U shape. Now let's draw 1 over from here, up another 1, in and down 1. So we just have 1 pixel diagonal. We're going to draw another pixel diagonal over here on this side. Then we're going to draw a pixel diagonal on the inside. And then we'll do the same thing over here on the right. Now let's do 1 more diagonal going out on both sides. Oh, I like that. You went in instead of out. That's okay. That's totally fine. Let's do another one right here. Good job. This one you don't have to color in, but we're going to color in these 3 and also these 3 over there. Now let's start here and we'll draw 1 pixel in and then we'll go up 4 pixels. Then we'll go back out 1 and then down to connect where we started. Let's do the same thing over here. We'll start on the inside corner. We'll go in 1. Then we'll go up 4, out 1, and back down to connect. And then go out 1 and then back down. Yes. There you go. Okay, now right here, let's draw 1 pixel in diagonal. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. We'll go in 1 pixel. Let's start here on the corner. We'll go up 1. And then let's go over here on the inside corner and go up 1 also. Okay, now let's connect the top of those 2 lines. And then we'll start here on that corner where we first started and connect over to the other side also. All right, let's jump down here. We're going to start in this corner and we'll go up 1 pixel. And then we're going to draw a line that goes all the way over to the other side. Then we can come back over here go up 1 pixel and draw another line all the way across. Okay, now let's color in all of those shapes. We did it. There's the outside shape of our burger, our cheeseburger. Now we're ready to color in our burgers. Let's start with the color 24, which is light brown. And we're gonna color in the bottom bun and also the top bun. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video for extra time. Now we're ready to color the patty. And we're using 94, a dark brown. And we'll start right here, and we could draw a line all the way across to the other side. And then we'll color in below that line. Then let's use 33 yellow to color in the cheese. I'm going to start here, up 1 pixel from the patty, and we can draw a line all the way across to the other side, and then we'll do the same thing and color below it. Next, let's use 15 red. We'll start here on this 1 pixel up from the cheese, and we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can draw a line here so that we have 5 boxes on the left side of that red. Then we're going to skip 2 and we can draw another line. Then let's connect this red line over to the left and this red line over to the right. And then we're going to color in. These are the tomatoes. You could also leave this off, or maybe it's ketchup.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't like tomatoes. Now for our last color, 46 green, we'll use to color in the lettuce. And we did it awesome. We finished drawing our cheeseburgers, except you got that one little pixel right there with an outline. I think we could change it into something.
Yes, we should.
All right, we did it. We changed your drawing, and I love how it looks now. It has a funny face.
Yeah.
You've got the teeth down here and the eyes.
Yeah.
So there's no mistakes.
Yeah, the most important thing is to have fun.
Yeah, and our friends can change their drawings too. You could change the funny face. You could also change the toppings.
Yeah, maybe add bacon.
Oh yeah, bacon would make our burgers even better.
Yes.
Oh, and we also need to take off the grid. Okay, now we're completely done. We removed the grid and all you can see is the drawing.
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. And we hope you had a lot of fun too.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.